First we're using the color of raw silk and writing the alphabet of A. A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg. F. F. F for fish. F for fan. Kids, the next one is G. Now we're using the color of pale pink color. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. I for ice. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. L for lemon. L for lemon. The next one is M. M for mango. N for nest. O for yes. Orange. P for parrot. Parrot. The next one is Q. The last one is R. R for writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Persian blue color. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. The next one is H. H. I. J. K. Stay with us. L. M. N. The next one is O. Now we're writing the alphabet of P. Q. The next one is R. R. S. T. U. U for umbrella. Kids, the next one is V. V. W. W for watch. X. Y. Z. Yes. Silver color, exactly. Dark green color. Dark pink color. Stay with us. Yes. Persian blue color. Light pink color. And the next one is brown color. Yellow color. Orange color. Black color. Kids, the next one is sky blue color. Blue color. Light green color. Stay with us. Red color. Red color. And the last one is white color. White color. Kids, first we draw the alphabet of A, and now we're using the color of light green, writing the alphabet of A. Stay with us. A. Now we're writing the alphabet of B. The next one is C. Now we're writing the alphabet of D. D for dog. The next one is E. Stay with us. E for egg. F. F. F for fish. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we're writing the alphabet of H. So kids, now we're using the color of brown, writing the alphabet of I. I for eyes. J. K. The next one is L. M for moon. M for mango. The next one is N. Now we're writing the alphabet of O. O for octopus. P. P for penguin. And now we're using the color of blue, writing now numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kids, the next one is 5. The next one is 6. SIX 6. 7, 8. The next one is 9. 10. TEN 10. Thank you so much for watching.